Welcome back to the Real English Podcast. I'm John, and today we're going to talk about a very important and practical topic, how to visit a doctor or go to the pharmacy in English. Many learners feel nervous about this because they don't want to make mistakes when explaining their health problems. But don't worry, today we're going to make it clear, natural, and much easier for you. I have a special guest with me today. Please welcome Mickel. Hey Mickel, how's your day going so far?
Hey John, it's going pretty good, man. I just had some coffee and I'm feeling energized. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. I was actually thinking about this topic earlier because I know a lot of our viewers get worried when they need to see a doctor in an English-speaking country. Have you ever felt nervous about that?
Oh yeah, definitely. When I first moved to a new city, I had a really bad cold. I went to the clinic and I was so nervous that I couldn't explain my symptoms properly. I kept saying, my head is hot instead of, I have a fever. The doctor looked a bit confused at first.
That's very common. Let's help everyone today so they don't have the same experience. Mickel, when you go to the doctor, what's the first thing you usually say?
I always start with hello or hi, how are you? Then I say why I'm there. Something like, I'm not feeling well today, or I have some health problems.
Good. Let's break this down step by step. First, making an appointment on the phone.
Yes, you can say, hello, I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor, please. Or, can I see the doctor this week? I'm not feeling good.
What if they ask for more details?
You can say, I have a bad cough and fever. Or, I've had a stomachache for 3 days.
Nice. Now let's imagine you're at the clinic. Walk me through what happens.
Okay, when you arrive, you go to the reception and say, hi, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10 o'clock. Then they ask you to wait. While waiting, you can fill out a form about your medical history.
Let's practice a longer conversation. I'll be the receptionist and then the doctor. You be the patient. All right.
Hello, I have an appointment with the doctor. At 11:30, my name is Mickel Brown.
Yes, Mr. Brown. Please fill out this form and have a seat. The doctor will see you soon. Thank you. After a short pause, Mr. Brown, come in, please. So, what brings you here today?
Hi, doctor. I've been feeling sick for the last few days. I have a sore throat, a bad cough, and sometimes I have a fever.
How long have you had these symptoms?
The cough started since last Monday. The sore throat is for about 4 days now.
Do you have any other symptoms? Headache, body aches?
Yes, I have a headache and my body feels tired and painful.
I see. Let me check your temperature. It looks like you have the flu. I'll prescribe some medicine. You should rest, drink plenty of water, and take the medicine 3 times a day after meals.
Okay. Is there anything else I should do?
Yes, if the fever gets higher or you feel worse, come back immediately. Thank you, doctor. You're welcome. Take care.
See? It's not too difficult once you know the right phrases.
Exactly. Let's talk about the pharmacy now. Sometimes you don't need to see a doctor. You can just go to the pharmacy.
True. At the pharmacy, you can say, hi, I have a bad headache. What medicine do you recommend? Or, can I have something for a sore throat, please?
Good.
What if you need stronger medicine? You can say, I need something stronger for my cough. Or, do I need a prescription for this?
Let's do another role play. This time, you're at the pharmacy with a stomach problem.
Hi, I've had a stomachache since yesterday. It really hurts after I eat. Do you have any medicine for that?
Sure. This medicine is good for stomach pain. Take 1 tablet 3 times a day.
Should I take it before or after meals?
After meals is better, and drink lots of water.
Thank you so much. How much is it?
That will be $12.50.
Thank you so much.
Here you go. Thanks again. You handled that very naturally.
Thanks. I practiced these phrases many times before I felt comfortable.
That's the key. Practice. Let's cover more symptoms so our viewers are well prepared.
Yes, and you can say, I have a runny nose and I've been sneezing a lot. Or, my stomach is upset and I have diarrhea.
Perfect. Now, what about explaining how long you've had the problem?
You can use for and since here. I've had this cough for 5 days. I've had this pain since last weekend.
Great connection to our previous lesson. Mickel, tell us about a time when you or someone you know had a more serious situation at the doctor.
Sure. My sister once had a bad allergic reaction. She went to the emergency room and said, "I ate something and now I have a rash all over my body and it's very itchy. I'm having trouble breathing a little." The doctors acted fast and helped her.
That's important. Let's give viewers emergency phrases too.
Yes, useful emergency sentences. I'm having chest pain. I feel dizzy. I can't breathe well. I need help immediately.
Thank you. That could really help someone one day.
Absolutely.
Let's do one final long role play. You have a bad cold and go to the doctor.
Hello, doctor. Thank you for seeing me. I've had a very bad cold for almost a week. My nose is running, I have a sore throat, and I keep coughing. At night, I can't sleep well because of the cough. I also feel very tired.
I understand. Do you have a fever?
Yes, sometimes it goes up to 38.5 degrees.
Any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I'll give you antibiotics and cough syrup. Take the antibiotics twice a day for 7 days. Rest as much as possible and drink warm fluids.
Thank you, doctor. Is there anything I should avoid?
Yes, avoid cold drinks and spicy food for a few days.
I understand. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Wow, that was long but realistic.
Yes, real doctor visits can take time. It's good to be prepared.
You know, the most important thing is to stay calm and speak slowly. Doctors understand that English might not be your first language.
That's very true and comforting.
One more tip. You can say, "Sorry, my English is not perfect. Can you speak slowly, please?" Doctors are usually very understanding.
Excellent advice.
Thank you.
Mickel, thank you so much for sharing all these useful phrases and stories today. This was incredibly helpful.
Thank you for having me, John. I hope this helps a lot of people.
All right, everyone. That's our very detailed episode on visiting a doctor and going to the pharmacy in English. We covered making appointments, explaining symptoms, asking questions, and even emergency situations. Key phrases to remember. I have a blah, 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 headache, sore throat, stomach ache. I've had this since /for. Can you give me something for blah, blah, blah? Should I take this before or after meals? Pause the video and practice describing how you feel today using the new phrases. Write your sentences in the comments. If you found this long episode useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who are learning English, and subscribe to the Real English Podcast for more practical conversations. See you in the next episode. Take care of your health and keep practicing. I'm John from the Real English Podcast. Bye for now.